Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the morning itself, me and my uncle went to Vinakal for the casual shopping for vegetables as tomorrow we need to make Manchurian. For that we bought vegetables and also again went to the Jwalamukhi Mandir, and here we are at the bank as my uncle need to deposit some money. And then after we returned to our village and found many monkeys in the house. After that we went to our sweet home that I already told is a bit at higher level from other. In the evening, me, my uncle, brother and few of other went to the Tingad Mandir, which is newly be constructed at the above of the mountain, as the old one was destroyed due to landsliding and all of that. So the new houses were being built here only, and the people of village are contributing their full to construct their house. And here are all the houses being that are being constructed by the people. Also the government help them a bit by providing money, and overall the people are still suffering from the disaster, so we can't do anything. Actually the sliding day was happened the previous year, when we were not at the village. I think in the month of July the destruction came. After that we went to the new Dingar that is being shown here. Here is a very old temple which I have already mentioned. So here is from where the landslide started, and many kandalu has been grown here. Here are the broken houses. After that my uncle played cricket with the village childrens and tried to hit the ball as far as can, but can't. He used to be a great player in his time, as told by him. Other I don't know. So here is the river that is Bal Ganga that caused the destruction. After that we went inside the temple that has been also be constructed. It was not harmed too much by the landslide. It can be the grace of God that it didn't harm his own temple. So here are monkeys all the way we came in the temple in the village all over. After that we went to our home and did our dinner, which was pathur, a very delicious food of Pahad, which I also not recorded due to fast eating. So that's it. Bye bye.